My video guide is about removing the browser notifications which are associated with the website that is called mqqujr.com. The point is that this website, of course, doesn't make any sense judging by its name. However, the website is extremely malicious. It tries to make you click on allow, supposedly to help you watch some video. If people do that by mistake, their browser may be soon hijacked and infected. The browser gets infected with intrusive pop-ups that will be displayed as push notifications, and these ads will be multiple and very annoying. Also, this mqqujr.com may switch your browser into the full screen mode without your permission. To get out of it, simply press Escape button on your keyboard. To deactivate these annoying ads and to stop their show in your Google Chrome, access the menu Settings, choose Privacy and Security, then Site Settings. In Permissions, select Notifications. Pay attention to the websites that are allowed to send notifications. And if you find this mqqujr.com, you should remove it from the list. I also recommend investigating your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official page combocleaner.com. Download the software, install it, and begin researching your device with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.